laces, no chains, no corporate disguise. Python sings with freedom in every line, while C-sharp